It's the memories of a house's sounds, as much as the pictures and the keepsakes, that we take with us when we move on to a new home. The way a knock on the front door echoes through the hallway, or the crackle of bacon frying on a Sunday morning. For Jeremy and Lisa, one of the most comforting aspects of the home on Shalom Way was those sounds. The gentle creak of the floorboards when their children got up in the morning or crept downstairs after bedtime. The sounds of the neighborhood kids enjoying the playground a few minutes up the road. And the water of the creek in the summer flowing gently through the trees just beyond their backyard. And while there are sounds, there is also quiet in this residential neighborhood in Barrie's South End. A home that sits just 5 minutes from the 400 and from the GO station, bringing the best of the city and the country together in one neighborhood. Lisa and Jeremy didn't know what sounds would be waiting for them when they viewed the empty lot where this house would be built 10 years ago. But they knew this spot was right for them, and they tied a yellow ribbon on a tree in the backyard to indicate where the home was to be built. That ribbon is still there today, a bit faded, a bit weather-worn, but ready to move on to the next home with the family. But the floor creaks and the forest creaks at 28 Shalom Way are staying and are waiting for the next family to enjoy.